Cakaplah sebentar.
Hi.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aina Nadira binti Monisin. I'm from Faculty of Economic and Management. I'm taking course Business Admin. My matric number is 190597.
Hi, my name is Nur Aisyah binti Cik Abu Bakar. I'm taking Business Administration in Faculty Economics and Management. My matric numbers 190010 and I'm staying at 5th College.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Amdad. I'm taking Bachelor of Economics. My matric number is 190246.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nadia binti Ahmad Nordin and I'm taking Bachelor of Business Administration and my matric number is 189830.
Hello, my name is Minabila binti Barudin. My matric number is 188082. I'm taking accounting in Faculty of Engineering. Economic and Management. So we have discussed that we want to discuss about the third questions, that is, in your opinion, what can a person do to have a healthy body and life? So my first point is healthy food to get healthy diet. We should not to take too many of fast food because if we take many of fast food, we cannot get a diet life.
And then
Balanced diet in our life is too important because there is a part of maintaining good health and can help you feel your best.
Nadira, what kind of food as a student that we should take? I think for some students we like to have some fast food. So what should we do to maintain a healthy diet?
Based on what I do some research, we need to eat 5 per day. So we need a breakfast,
that's
dinner.
the best point.
So from that we can get the balanced diet of foods.
Okay, now I proceed with my points. As you mentioned before, we have to take the breakfast, right? So I will talk about the breakfast. First of all, do you know what is the meaning of breakfast?
No.
Breakfast is I think that breakfast is we eat in the morning.
Usually breakfast is to break the fast between dinner and the meal eaten after a person wakes up the next morning. Okay. So why we need to eat breakfast? Breakfast is the most important things in our daily life. Everyone should start their day off right by eating as many vitamins and other nutrients as possible. For example, in the morning for the breakfast, you can take the eggs. Why? Eggs is a significant of sources of vitamin D. You know what is the function of vitamin D?
Don't know.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Already.
But vitamin D is important for absorbing calcium for
Phosphorus.
Bone.
yes. We also can take the whole grains, such as the bread, cereal, or oatmeal. It is good to reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Next, you also have to know that breakfast is actually good and can help us to reduce the morning crankiness. You know, usually feeling cranky during the morning is understandable. So you probably wanted to stay in bed for a few extra weeks. You don't feel like going to work, and what most people forget, you are starving. So you have to eat breakfast to help you deal with any morning moodiness and stress.
I want to ask you some questions. Milk is good for breakfast?
Yes, milk also is good for your breakfast. Why? Milk is one of the sources. It's good for your bones.
But I think
It
that
is sources of vitamins also.
I
It's
think that
considered.
milk is better drink in the
Before
night.
sleep.
Before sleep.
But it's
not
still
at breakfast.
it's good to take milk, but it's the most perfect to have your milk
time
before
before sleep.
Okay. So that's it. My point. So what's your point?
So different from these two, my points are going around more about
Not about food.
health lah, something like that. So my point is to involve into social activities with friends. As for this century, people are getting used to playing with handphone, laptops.
Yeah.
I mean, every time we go, even in the train station where your train is too boring, there are sometimes people who are still looking down at the phone and not ignoring people. So this kind of habits is very harmful, since it can cause it can harm your eyesight. It can increase our power and make us go not blind,
almost
near sight.
Yes, I forgot that time.
So we should involve more in social activities. One of examples, since we as students in our college there are lots of activities, but I think to pick our interest, we should do our social activities with our friends. There are many activities that we can do. For example, hiking. I used to love hiking. One of the hills that I have hiked is Bukit Broga. The Broga hills are kind of short. You can walk and enjoy the scenery with friends. I mean, it's a good place where you can enhance your stamina, especially during the early morning. It's very cool and you can feel the wind. Another activities some of our teenagers love to do is kind of like outdoor games. Do you know at the IOI City Mall there's a place for people who love
I think I know.
This is
I had go that before. It's very quite
from what I
interesting.
saw, I think it is kind of interesting, as you can get into your groups and get to bond with your friends and also play an interesting sport.
I thought at first you were talking about ice skating.
But sometimes nowadays teenagers like us love to take photo. They go to hiking or enjoy their activities, outdoor activities, and then they want to take a photo.
Upload in Instagram.
Yeah.
Memory.
As a memory, but
It's too
good,
social actually.
From my perspective, social activities involve more on an outdoor activity where we get to since most people like women, we tend to not do outdoor activities.
Because
much,
lazy,
but,
too much
kind
lazy.
of kind of lazy when involved in outdoor activities, especially when we are playing sport and then there's a guy. Therefore, outdoor activities such as skating or hiking with friends can pick our interest.
Bonding.
Can make
Make a
our
bonding,
bonding at the same time. So what about you, Nadia?
As for me, I agree with all of you three. But I also have another point. As for me, what can we do as a person to have a healthy body? So as for me, I think one of the things that we must do is getting enough sleep. As we know, yes, sleep is a vital to us because we as a student, sleep is a vital role to us because we as a student, we need to have enough sleep, at least how much do we do?
8 hours?
6 to 8 hours. 6 to 8 hours, I think so.
7 hours.
Okay,
Around that.
According to the research, we as a student or as a teenager, we need at least 6 to 8 hours.
Yeah,
to sleep.
right. I'm so excited.
I'm proud of you.
So, how can we as a student can get enough sleep as we know we.
Many assignment.
Yeah, we always busy. We have a lot of work to do. We have assignment, assessment. We have what else? A presentation, group discussion. So we cannot get enough sleep. So how can we do to get enough sleep? What do you think?
We need to have a timetable.
Yeah, we need to have a time management.
Don't delay your work.
So the thing is we must do our own timetable, and what the most important is we must follow the timetable. So because of that, from that we can arrange our timetable, our activity according to the priority. So from that we can get enough sleep. So because actually sleep is very important because if we don't get enough sleep, it can affect our mental health. It can affect our physical health when we doing because it will mostly affect our daily activities, our reaction, our thinking, our learning. So it will basically affect our activity life.
I would like to add my point to Nadia. This is what I heard. What I saw from a video which shows to us what happened if we don't sleep for 7 days. At the 4th day, if we don't sleep at all, we are starting to have delusion. We can see voices and sounds in our
Becoming
it's
stressed.
kind of scary at first, but and then I heard some people have insomnia where they can't sleep, and they tend to use drugs such as the cough medicine since they have a lot of alcohol, since the medicines can induce sleep. So it's kind of scary, but if we have a problem with our sleep, I think we should consult to doctor as soon as possible.
Some people can sleep because of their stress, because of too many works that they don't do that finish. Like Nadia said, we have to need the time management properly, so we can manage our time, so that we have the enough time for sleep.
I want to add some point. So we most of us are as teenager, and we are a girl. Ladies. So of course we really take we must always want to look beautiful. Yes. So actually, getting enough sleep is one of the factor that can contribute to our
beautiful.
Our beautiful skin. To get a beautiful skin, we must get enough sleep.
But too much sleep cause our eyes to sleep.
Yes, that's why I agree with you. We need to get enough sleep, but at the right time. Of course, we as students, most of that I see that we get enough sleep 6 to 8 hours, but then we don't sleep at the proper time. We sleep at the class, we sleep at the class. So the proper time we sleep at the night.
So how
That's
about me?
As for my point, I think we need to exercise in order to have a healthy life and body. So, just imagine if you have enough sleep, you get you eat healthy food, but you don't exercise at all. So it will not make your body healthy. Right. So I think at least we should exercise in a day, in a week at least 3 times.
3 times per week.
3 times per week. Yes. For example, you can just walk in the evening. You can other than you can get a healthy body, but you can also get some fresh air and release your tension.
Do you have any idea if a student like us, we don't like to go to outdoor activities? So what we can do to make an exercise?
I think as for me as a student, I go to class by walking. So I think that is my daily exercise. Other than that, you can do in such a
Room.
in your room. You can just work out in your room, so you don't really need to go outside of your room, right? So yes.
That's the
I would
simple
like to
exercise.
also share some lazy workout for girls. Since we are quite lazy. Yes, I would like to share this lazy workout. It's especially I think you have to do it right 5 minutes before shower.
5 minutes in the shower.
Where
Means
we
in
have
the
to
morning
do,
before
yes, in the morning
meditation.
or even night. So at least we have two times a
times
day we
or-
exercise. The exercise mainly involve burpees. You know burpees where you do push up and then you stand up and you jump in chair. This activity is quite tiring, but then after you did 5 times, you do planking where you just stand like that, and then you continue to do the burpees 5 times. It's for you just do it for 3 to 4 minutes, depend.
It's quite
It's
long.
it's quite long, but it's not. But after you do it, and after you take a shower, it will definitely make you feel fresh. Since we were a little bit workout, means we have and then we just take a shower.
So
in the
we
morning,
don't feel that we tired. We don't feel tired.
I want to add something. Other than you will get a healthy body, but you also will get if you are lucky enough, you will you will lose some weight if you are
If you're lucky.
If not lucky.
I think we as women we should change our perceptions. Instead of doing workout to lose our weight, we should do workout as a form of healthy routine itself. I mean, most of women these days go to gym, workout day, show off their muscle, just to show they have nice leg and make us jealous, right?
Yeah, I'm very jealous.
Okay, so
Do you have anything?
okay, so that's all from us.
That's all.
So any of you guys would like to conclude?
So basically, there's a few steps that we can do to make our life healthy, more healthier, and more better. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.